Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in so you can change the SSID immediately. Enter your Cox credentials or use admin login at 192, 168, 0, 1. This gives you router control. Make sure your device stays connected during changes to avoid lockout. Once signed in, look for the Wireless or Wi-Fi Settings tab. That's where the network name lives. If you hit a login prompt asking for router admins separately, use the sticker credentials or your custom admin password to proceed without. Now you change the SSID itself inside the wireless settings. Find separate fields for 2, 4 and 5 GHz and type distinct, clear names. You can append 2G or 5G to tell them apart. While you're here, verify security mode is WPA2 or WPA3 and update the Wi-Fi password if needed. Click Apply or Save. The router will push the change, and your devices will drop and need to reconnect. Make sure to note the new name and password so you can reconnect immediately. Finish by reconnecting one device to confirm the new SSID and password work. Test internet access and run a quick speed check so you know everything propagated. If the name didn't change, reboot the gateway and try again. Sometimes settings need a restart to apply. If you can't access the router or are locked out after changes, perform a factory reset only as a last resort. This wipes custom settings, so have account PIN and ISP credentials ready before you reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.